god, it's been 30 days! The sun has risen and set 1,000 times since that thing left. We lost Kevin to the fucking robot thing, and we had to eat him to stay alive. I almost don't want him to come back, because at least dying out here would be better than surviving under him. What the fuck is that sound? Seriously, what is that noise? No. What's up? No!
You have no right to come back after a month of abandoning us here. You left us to die.
A month? What do you... It hasn't been a month. It's only been a day. Oh. Ooh.
It's a nice day out here, isn't it?
Yeah, that's, it's small miscalculation on my part, which is my bad. I mean, come on, what's even the difference between, like, 30 days and 1 day? I mean, you guys are overreacting.
You piece of shit! You left us to die! You left us here to rot and die!
Oh well, we all make mistakes. Let's just get to the chat. Caw-caw! 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 I'm a fucking bird! Caw-caw! Stupid bitch! Caw-caw!
Kill the fucking bird. But we... Okay. I'll do it. I'll get the bird. I'll do it. Here, birdie. That's a good bird. Come on, you wanna stop? Oh my god!
Well, guess that's it. Tune in next time for even more.